Hi everyone, this is Wen from Wen Group. Welcome to this wonderful home in the sunshine San Bruno. Behind me is a beautiful view of the bay, and downstairs there's extra space to develop. Come on in and take a look. We would love to show you. 您好，欢迎跟我一起参观这个圣布鲁诺优美的独栋房，各种可能性，我们希望跟您一一呈现。歡迎過嚟同我哋一齊參觀。As you walk up the front door, you'll immediately be captivated by the picturesque view that greets you. Upper level, you'll find yourself in the heart of the home, where an open floor plan seamlessly connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen. Natural light floods to the space, creating a warm and inviting ambiance that's perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. Additionally, a sunroom at the back of the house offers a cozy spot for savor your morning coffee while basking in the serene surroundings. Perfect layout with 3-bed, 2-baths upstairs, including a master ensuite, this home provides ample of accommodation. 进门楼上是开放式的居住空間，客廳、餐廳到廚房都自然流暢。後面仲有好靚嘅陽光屋，望向闊落嘅私家花園添。Expansive backyard where you'll discover mature fruit trees and even a chicken coop, providing the opportunity to embrace a sustainable and self-sufficient lifestyle. Downstairs, a 2-car garage awaits, along with a bonus room that offers immense potential for future development. Imagine the possibilities, whether you envision a guest suite, a rental unit, or a private retreat. 后院又大又平坦，既能种菜养雞自給自足，還有很多的休閒娛樂空間。樓下雙車庫仲有好多嘅房間同好大嘅發展空間，可以建成姻親單元添啊！ Convenient commuter locations to San Francisco, Silicon Valley, near top employers such as Genentech, YouTube, Walmart. Easy access to 101 and 280, great schools, public transport. 位置方便，走路就能去到小学。距離超市、商場、餐廳、公共交通都很近，生活交通都好便利㗎。What a wonderful home here! I hope you enjoy it and feel free to come over in the weekend open house. We're waiting for you. 歡迎跟我們一起參觀，樓下這麼大的面積就等着您來一起開發啦。歡迎你，週末愉快，希望見到你。Buying or selling a home? Please just say when.